Welcome to a special program called Nano and Quantum Medicine in Siddha with AYUSH system of medicine. We are talking about the system of Siddha medicine and Nano medicine. So let us talk about recently the people are affected with they are facing a lot of issues on the gut issues and as well as the mental disorders. How it will help for the gut issues and the mental disorders?
See, in our experience, we found that 30% of the children having mental health related issues, they have gut problem.
Okay.
To be precise, 30 out of 100 children, 30 children they have gut related issues. They have been wrongly declared as children with mental disorder.
Okay.
And getting, they put them into autism school and or special school, and they get treated for autism. So there are certain symptoms which you can easily find out for children with gut issue.
Okay.
When the child born and when during the lactation period, the child will be having challenges in digesting the mother's milk.
Okay.
That is first thing.
Okay.
And these children, the stomach will be bloated, and when you just finger it like this, you hear a sound in the stomach, and the chest will be inside and the stomach will be bloated outside. This is the second symptom. The third symptom, when you will be feeding very high quality food, but the child you cannot see that in the growth of the child. So it won't grow properly.
Okay.
The fourth thing is the child will have constipation issues. The child will not pass the motion.
Okay.
The child is supposed to pass the motion twice a day. If your child has that issue, then it means, and these are the common symptoms, and the child bone will not be strong.
Okay.
The child will be skeletal, and if you open the shirt and if you look into the chest, you can see the ribs all the ribs will be visible, and they don't gain weight.
Okay.
So these are all the symptoms for the children with gut issue, and they cannot digest milk. They call it as lactose intolerance, and slowly this issue will keep growing. Then they will say gluten, and there is a resistance. So they won't digest carbohydrate food. So they cut the rice and wheat and all that. So slowly the allergic things get increased. Finally, the children will have an A4 sheet full of allergic symptoms, which they cannot. So this is the gut issue in a very advanced stage.
Okay.
So we have recovered this, and there are two ways of handling it. One is if you give a probiotic food, then the child because of the probiotics, the child able to digest the food. But you have to give this probiotic throughout the life.
Okay.
And this is not this is one of the solution, but this is not the right solution.
Okay.
So improving the gut microbiome, improving the gut health, we are having a very unique nanomedicine.
Can you just suggest the preventive methods, how we can adopt our food and the lifestyle?
That's what I suggested. To come out of the gut issue, the simplest way is taking curd along with the traditional curd along with the breakfast.
Okay.
And in the morning, you feed the fermented rice along with curd, or fermented millet based food along with the curd.
Okay.
This is the best way of handling it.
Okay. And how about the mental disorders?
Yeah, see what happens. Recently, the scientists they discovered there is an axis called gut-brain axis. So any child will have issues with the gut. It exactly reflected in the brain in terms of hyperactive disorder.
Okay.
And these children will be, they don't sleep, or sometimes they will keeps on laughing. The moment, they non-stop, laughing and talking themselves and laughing. This is we have seen it directly. The moment you remove the any food which get fermented by nature, so then you can see that immediately the symptoms getting recovered. But the ideal way is we have a very unique nanomedicines which can able to recover the gut and put them back to a natural things within 50 to 100 days. That is the best way of recovering this.
Okay. And with this, how your nanomedicine will helps for the liver disorders?
No, the liver disorder, the liver is a major organ which secretes, more than 500 enzymes. So, these children born with fatty liver. So, fatty liver, and the fat get accumulated in the liver, and it doesn't allow the liver to function properly. So, we have medicines which can able to dissolve the liver for this this fat.
Okay.
And by dissolving the fat in the liver, and the liver revives back to the normal thing, and that is how we handle this.
Okay.
And there are cases where the children born with this kind of fatty liver or the serious liver disorder, and they don't grow properly,
Okay.
and abandoned by the system, which we recovered using our nanomedicine by delivering the medicine to the mother,
Okay.
and medicine got delivered by lactation to the child, and we recovered the child from this liver disease.
Okay.